make a movie. I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi. Or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. We are goofy, playing tag in the jacuzzi. We'll go upstairs. With our best moves we get groovy. My, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, when we...
Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a work from home vlog with you guys today. I'm bringing you along with me the whole day to see what I do when I work from home. I've been waking up a little bit later than normal. So before I found out I was pregnant, I usually wake up around 8 to 9. But since I found out I was pregnant, I've been letting myself sleep in when I need to. If I'm still feeling tired, I make sure I sleep a little bit longer. Usually I wake up around 10. I just want to make sure that I'm not too hard on myself, or else the rest of the day I'll be very cranky, very sleepy, and I probably get nothing done. So with my work from home days are usually shorter because pregnancy kind of cuts down half the day for me, but usually I can work maybe 3/4 of the day and take breaks in between. So I'll try to share as much as I can. We'll be adding some fall things to the space to give a little bit of a fall vibe. I'll talk about my favorite planner accessories, and we'll share a little bit of my new keyboard and unbox a new WalkingPad. If you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. My name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. I'm so excited to share with you my life as an entrepreneur and my tips and tricks for business. I also share a lot of desk productivity and lifestyle content, so if you're interested in any of that or all of that, make sure you subscribe. Now let's do a mini montage of fall.
Na, 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 na,
So normally in the mornings, I will do my emails, go through them quickly, and then I will plan in my planner. I'm using the work week agenda, which I've mentioned before. Make sure to watch my Plan B videos if you want to hear more about my planner updates and all that stuff. I'll make sure to link it up in the cards up above and down below for you to check out. But since I've been pregnant, I haven't been too hard on myself. I used to do 7 days of TikTok videos, and then I switched to 5 days of TikTok videos, and then now I'm only doing 2 a week, which is crazy. It's been harder to take videos since the sun has been away a little bit, since fall is here. I've also been super tired, so it's been very unmotivating to do content, but I still try my best to do as much as I can during the week, and at least one YouTube video a week, which is the one you're watching now. But that also gives me time to do things that I've been wanting to do, but I haven't had the chance to do because I've been so busy filming content. I've mentioned this in the previous video before. There's like website stuff that I wanted to update. Also my link in bio, I want to switch and change things out. And I've been wanting to do more digital planning stuff and more freebies and work on my newsletter, and now that I'm not doing content as much, I have more time to do that, so I'm not mad, and I hope that's okay with you too. But if you saw in my intro, I switched out into this new keyboard here. This is the Rainy75 Keyboard. It's super cute. On the back you can also see that has the super cute little cloud here, which represents the rainy, and then you have this really pretty like back baseboard. This keyboard is actually really heavy. Heavy keyboards usually means it's pretty good quality, and if you listen to the sound of this, it is amazing. Here you go. So this is the Rainy75 keyboard. I have it in the Pro in this pink color. I did want to switch out these keycaps to these Osum keys that I have that are pink, so I'm excited to do that later this month. I'm currently using it wired, but you can also use it wirelessly or with Bluetooth. It's hot swappable, and it's using Cocoa switches, which sounds really, really nice and thocky. I'll also be sharing a sound test for you guys, and I know you guys will love that for sure. It is so heavy for me to try to hold this up for you guys, but I really, really love it. And I chose this pink color because I normally would choose either purple or like an off-white color, or even white, but I wanted to try something different, so I picked up this pink one instead, and I actually really love it, and I can't wait to switch out the keycaps. So since I mentioned I haven't been doing content creation as much as I used to, the things that I've been working on include the new 2025 calendar. Every year I have a freebie for you to use for digital planning on calendars. So here's the 2024 version, and I currently have the 2025 ready to go. I just need to make content for it. I need to prep my email listing for it and just basically promote it for the next couple of weeks so that you guys can get on my email list and grab that. So if you want to get that before anyone else, to make sure to sign up for my email newsletter down below to get that. And I have also a lot of other freebies that you can pick up. I have a freebie page on my website. All you need is a password and you can get access to everything. And you can also check out my little updates here and there and any other new things that are coming up for my email list. And the other thing I've been working on, if you saw my last Plan With Me video, I mentioned that I'm going to start small and kind of give myself tasks instead of saying I need to update my whole website. I told myself that for this month I'm going to be updating the photos for the website. So in my work week agenda in the back there is a handful of list pages. I've been writing down things that I need to look out for because all my photos are in my phone and it's mixed with my personal photos and point hunt photos, so sometimes it does take some time to look for it. So that is why I need to write things down and kind of checks things off as I go so that I know what has been fixed and what needs to be fixed next. And then last but not least, I wanted to update my beacons, which is my link in bio link, and I've done a little bit on that recently, so that's really, really good. If it weren't for me doing content, I probably would never have time for that, so that's why I'm happy that I've been doing that. Okay, now we're hanging out on my desk and I want to share with you my favorite planner accessories for the last couple of months. One of my favorite ones are definitely these list to-dos from my shop Point Hun. Most of the things that I will mention is probably from my shop Point Hun because obviously I own a planner stationery shop, but the categories, like for example sticky notes in general, you can purchase anywhere. It doesn't have to be from Point Hun. I just want to mention my favorite planner accessories. It doesn't have to be from my shop obviously, but these are my favorite. As you can see, there's only one sheet left. I just love having these ready to go whenever I need it. If I need to write a list super quickly, I can just grab these and write it in here, and then if I need to transfer it, I can basically just move it in my planner after, and then I can transfer it into my weeklies if I have, or I can just use it as my only to-do list at the time. But it's good that I have it here, and when I'm done I can just throw it out and be done with it. Sticky notes are always one of my go-to top favorite things because you can also move them around if you need to. So here I have another set here. This is the arch set. You can take it out, for example, if you have it in one of the weeks, for example. So if you have it here and then you decide, oh, maybe Thursday I'm not going to do it, I'm going to switch it to next week, you can take it off and you can move it to wherever you like. And also at the same time, it does give a little bit of color, so it's a little bit popped up. So just in case it's something really important, you can remind yourself when you have it on your planner. But yeah, those are the top two favorite things. Sticky notes. Also love these transparent sticky notes. I usually use them for the same thing, so you can have things here. This was just in case the appointment was going to change, so if it changed, I can move it if I want, or you can use it as a bookmarker. I usually use those as a bookmarker too, so that I can find my section when I need to. So that's the first thing. My next favorite thing are these here. These are called the color dot markers. You can purchase them available anywhere. These are from Japan. We do sell them at Point Hunt, but obviously you can purchase them wherever you like. But what I love about these is that these ones come in a set, so they're a lot smaller and fits in most pen cases. But you can also pick them up individually, but these ones are a lot longer compared to the regular sizes. But they do have an extra point at the back, which you can have as a marker. So this is the extra point that it has. I normally never use that side, so I do actually like these ones more. But for example, there are some colors that are not available in the smaller sizes, like a black one, or this nice kind of like a beige color one. So there's that. There's different options online, whether it's from my shop or other shops, but these are definitely my favorite because these are just dot markers. Depending on how much pressure you use, you can make your dots bigger or smaller. So if you do have smaller planners and you need a smaller dot, you just lightly press on it. So here's an example. Normally I just do like a medium pressure and your dots will be pretty good. Let me find the black color, might be a little bit better. The regular, you can do lightly, it can be smaller, you can do harder, it can be thicker. And what I love using this is if I didn't have this list section on the side, if I'm just using like a plain grid paper, for example, if I just have grid paper here and I want to make my own lists, I can make my own kind of like list here and check them off as I go. And then I'm able to check it off when I'm done, and it's kind of like your own little checklist. And I always love these and always have these with me, at least 1 or 2 colors. Sometimes I would use them for dates. So right here, I would use them for my content creation stuff. So pink would mean Instagram, and gray would mean TikTok. So I do more TikTok videos than Instagram. So they can have that. You can also use it to mark dates in your calendar also. There's just so many ways you can use them, and I love them so much, and they're super affordable and super cute. And last but not least, if you're looking for something simple, a lot of people always ask me that they want to do planner stuff, but they're not sure if they want to commit. They just want to test it out, or they're the type that knows that planners might not be the thing for them. I always recommend getting some sort of notepad, because every time you use it and you don't want it anymore, you can just throw it away. It's just good to have on your desk if you just want to see something at a glance. So the one I have right now is the Focus Planner. I would use this one at home. We also have a weekly planner you can use, but this one would be perfect for home because I have different categories I can have. So if I want to have some work tasks, personal tasks, and home tasks, I can have them all together. But if you're just looking for a regular weekly notepad, Point Hunt also has that too. But I just wanted to mention that notepads are really good to have if you just need to scribble, especially on busy days. I usually use notepads too, so that I don't have to feel overwhelmed in a planner. I just need to get some work done, and I just use this really easily. So for the Focus Planner, you have a section for like important things. So like any appointments or dates would be nice to have on top. You have your top priorities and some notes, and then you can have different categories for different things. This is one of my favorites other than the weekly one, but there's also daily and other ones that you can check out. Make sure to link some of the stuff down below for you to check out just in case you're interested. But those are my top favorite planner accessories. Okay, so next thing we're going to share is a new walking pad that I got. If you remembered, I purchased the C2 walking pad, I believe a 1.5 years ago. I've used it a handful of times. I wish I can use it more often, but I do like having it in general. But I wanted to share that WalkingPad has sent me a new one to test out and share with you guys, and I can't wait to share it. Let's go!
Let them think that we are crazy when we drive around in our Mercedes. We're out all night or at home lazy. We're living like we're in the 80s. My oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na, 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 na. like a movie. I'll pick you up.
So that was the walking pad. Man, it was super heavy. The hubby was dying, but it is very good quality. It's like a very fancy version compared to my current one. It's a lot bigger, so it's perfect for those that want to do runs or just need more space in general. In my opinion, I don't think it's gonna fit well in my desk space because I do have a sofa on the side, and obviously my home office is a lot smaller, but I'll be thinking about bringing it to the small business office so that I have a lot of space for that. It could either be a dedicated area, so if I just want to do a little walk for 10 minutes or something like that, it can be there, or I can move it under my desk and use it there. I think that is kind of the plan for that. I love how easy it is to use. It's super simple. The only problem was that it's a little bit heavy, so since I am pregnant, I probably won't be moving it too much, but after the baby comes out, I'm able to move it again, and I think it won't be that big of a problem, but moving it into different rooms, into different areas would be a lot of work. But other than that, I think it's really good. Excited for it. You can actually run on it, so that's really good, which can be used more casually if you're just working from your desk, or you can use it to actually do some very active workouts and run on it, get the cardio in. But last but not least, we're gonna set up my stream. To stream, I usually stream when I am working from home. I do a co-working stream. It's super fun. I get work done. I get to hang out with people that watch me. We get to chat. Just have someone to work with while you're working is actually always nice. And yeah, so that'll be the end of this portion of the video. I'm just going to stream for the rest of the day, and that is pretty much it. And I'm gonna edit this video and make sure to upload it by Sunday, which you'll be watching.
My oh my, we both look so fly like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. We are goofy, playing tag and
Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed a little behind the scenes of my work from home vlog. Every work from home day is a little bit different, so I hope you enjoyed this work from home vlog. If you're interested in seeing more, make sure to let me know in the comments down below and to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me at Life with Holly Lifestyles on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Tuesday, we'll go upstairs. With our best moves, we get groovy.